Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into how to conduct a project review in teamwork.com, your essential guide for 2025. So let's get started. First things first, you'll want to log into your teamwork.com account. Now that we've done that, navigate to the Projects tab. Here, you'll find a list of your ongoing projects. The reason we do this is to quickly get an overview of all your projects and select the one you want to review. Next up, click on the Review tab. This tab is essential because it is where you'll find all the tools and features necessary for conducting a thorough project review. You will find a detailed summary of your project, including completed tasks, milestones, log time, and much more. After you're in the Review tab, start by checking the Overview section. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. This section provides a general summary of your project's performance, including the completion rate, due tasks, and any upcoming milestones. This helps us because it gives us a clear picture of where we stand in our project. Then, proceed to the Tasks section. This area lets you review all the completed, ongoing, and future tasks. It's crucial to check this part as it allows you to assess your team's productivity and identify any areas that might need improvement. Lastly, don't forget to check the Time section. This segment shows the total hours logged into the project. It's important because it provides insights into how much time your team is spending on the project, which can be crucial for future planning and budgeting. And there you have it. You've successfully conducted a project review on teamwork.com, helping you stay on top of your projects, assess productivity, and plan for the future. That's all for today's tutorial. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next one.